How to send live location on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app. Now open a chat where you want to set a live location. At the bottom, you can see attachment icon. Tap on it. Multiple options will appear. Tap on location. Now tap on share live location. Here is the thing. You can share your location for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. I'm selecting 15 minutes here. You can also add your comment with the location. When you are done, tap on send button at the right. And that's it. This is how you can send live location on WhatsApp. If this helped you, follow for more quick WhatsApp tips.